Go ahead, agent.
Hello everybody, I'm Rachel and I'm here with my teammates Allie, Karen, and Kat, and we are the Agency. The Agency is an SMS-based spy game that lets users meet new people and explore their city. Agents are sent on secret missions requiring submission of text messages, voice calls, and even images. To validate user submissions, we're using a custom-trained image recognition model, a voice-to-text API, and we're also using our own homeworld chatbot. Now Allie will walk you through a demo of our game.
To become a member of the agency, a user texts our Twilio number and then follows the instructions. We know not everyone is great at following instructions, so we had to be thorough with our testing and our game flow design to ensure that unexpected user responses were handled appropriately. Agents walk through a tutorial mission during which they send in their location. This can be done with the share location feature in their messaging client or by texting in a written address. Phones send locations in different formats, so we had to pay close attention to the patterns in those formats so that we could parse the coordinates from them accurately. We then use those coordinates to pair agents with each other and assign them missions in their area. We also have them send in a photo just so we can make sure that they have a camera. And when they do, we respond with the first 3 tags returned by the image processing API, just to demonstrate that we are analyzing the photos they send in. Then, once they're done with the tutorial mission, they can go on a real mission. And they can specify whether they want to work with a partner or alone, so that a lack of agents in the area will not prevent them from playing the game. If they do want a partner and one is available, they'll receive a message with partner and mission information, which will go to the partner as well. And then once they're ready to go, they can continue through the gameplay, and both partners will progress through the mission, even if only one of them responds with the necessary intel. So now Kat will talk to you about our website.
Because gameplay is entirely SMS-based, our front end really is the native messaging app. But we also wanted our users to have a way to be able to review their completed missions. And we also wanted admins to have some kind of resource where they could create and edit our storylines. Our web app, built with React and Redux, is this additional interface. We're using the Authy API to provide passwordless login, so users can log in using just their phone number and a token. From there, the regular admins can see their page where they can edit all their storylines, and users can access their dossier where they can see who they've met and where they've been. Here's Karen to talk about technical challenges.
So one major obstacle we faced was working out the game logic. We have to track the user state, progress through a mission's challenges, and partnering for missions only complicates this process. We had to create a state machine that would handle the different user responses and update the user state. Another major challenge was location. We not only had to figure out how to parse the location from several formats, we also ran into some interesting situations when storing the locations and calculating distances. As we were using Postgres for our database, we ended up using the extension PostGIS, which provided geographic data types and a built-in system to calculate distances based on latitude and longitude. In the future, we hope to have seasonal missions and possibly missions in other cities and partner preferences. So this is the phone number to text in for our to join the agency, and that's it. Thank you for being here.